Hi YouTubers, welcome to Science Stuff. In this session, today we are going to learn about human ear. In our sense organs, very important organ is ear. It is very much related to our brain that you know. With our ears, we can listen all types of sounds and can enjoy music also, right? Apart from hearing, ear helps in maintaining the equilibrium of our body. Do you know which bone ears made of? The ear bones are very much important. The main bones of ear are auditory canal, eardrum, semicircular canals, coila, vestibular nerve, and coiler nerve, eustachian tube, ear acicles, and outer ear pinna. Coming to external ear, it is the visible part of the ear on either side of our head. It is a flap-like structure called the pinna. It leads to the ear canal. The pinna is made up of cartilage. Have you ever observed wax-like substance in your ears? Do you know where does it comes from? Pinna has wax-producing ceruminous and sebaceous glands, these oil-producing glands. These help to keep the ear canal lubricated, prevent the dust and other particles from entering into the ear canal. The ear canal is also called auditory meatus. A thin layer called tympanium or eardrum is present at the end of the auditory meatus. Now coming to middle ear. Middle ear plays an important role in amplifying the vibrations received on the tympanum membrane. The chain of three bones, malleus, incus, and stapes helps to do the same. Oval window is a membrane covered ending of the middle ear. It opens into the inner ear through a round window. Now coming to the internal ear or inner ear. Internal ear consists of bony labyrinth enclosing the membranous labyrinth, and the membranous labyrinth consists of vestibule, three semicircular canals, and coila. The anterior part of the vestibule is sacculus and the posterior part is utriculus. Now coming to the hearing and auditory sensation. External ear collects the sound waves. They enter into the auditory meters and then they strike the tympanum. The vibrations from the tympanum bridge the malleus, incus, and stapes, and they magnify the intensity of the sound vibrations. The stapes transmits the vibrations to the membrane of oval window. Then they transmit to the coila. The bacillary membrane is moved, then the vibrations reach to the organ of Cartier. The impulses are sent to the brain through the auditory nerve. The hearing can be done according to the response given by the brain. So brain plays a vital role to hearing of our ears. So be careful, take care of your ears. And thank you very much for being with us in our science stuff. We'll be back with other sense organ in our next session. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank